Good morning. Morning to the US side. Good evening to the Asia side. Okay, the east side and also the west side. So today, what we will look into it is slightly different. I'm not going in for scalping anymore. I'm just gonna go in and then move, uh, like holding on to it for a couple of minutes, and then bam, exit. Okay, that's new trading technique, new trading time, new trading method. So instead of going in like looking into tickers, because I find looking at the tickers, it doesn't really help me much. So let's go slightly slower. Look by looking at the price movement. Okay. Looking at it, see, I think if we are looking into this, then we need to look into much more overall price movement. Let's see, the day before the price movement of Apple, see whether they will have a rebound that is coming up or not. So far the price keep on throwing down lower and lower. There's not much of the volume that is supporting. So I don't think today the price might have any of the price up from here. So I'm not going for super long for it. So in that case, looking at this, okay, if it feels what I want, I'm just gonna go in for a long position and then to wait for it to just hold until a point that I find that they have the price movement that it tells us that they have not much intention to move at all. So using this method, we have to be very we have to know the price movement and also the overall market. It is not overall market, overall price of that stocks. Looking at it, seems like it doesn't really have Apple the day before, doesn't really have the intention to mark the price up higher because there's not much of the support that is coming in to support the price. Well, suddenly with a high volume actually comes in. What is it about? What is this high volume from? Let me check first. It's going up too fast, so I'm not sure whether I can catch it or not. The taking side, I didn't see that. Suddenly there's a high volume. Not sure whether data is showing that. Alibaba moving up, Apple suddenly just bam like that. Why does it change like that? There's a slight difference in the price. Okay, I'm using Moomoo Trade here. So if let's say you want to open a trading account, let's say you're from Singapore, you can actually open it using the link in the description box. So everything is there. High volume selling like this and price not moving up and down usually is telling us that is better to go for exit first. I didn't catch this high volume. Is it from, where is it from? Is it throwing down or buying up? Must be one of the big throw down, I guess. Okay, so right now I'm continuing to move up higher, so I'm just gonna continue to hold. The majority of the buying that push the price up higher are mainly SML. So we need to watch this price up. No, watching this will be something like what we do usually for scalping. But we can try to use this to maybe time the better exit out of it. Also, again, suddenly a bam, there's a high volume comes in. So those that is added up, I think is the one that is selling down. In that case, I'll just take my profit then. So there's about like 12 cent of profit. Price still moving up. There's too many sudden price volume comes in. Okay, I'm still adapting the old trading method where the scalping, I just can't forget about it. So if let's say we're going in, if let's say we look into 5-minute charts, will it be much better? Is the price down? So at the moment we have about like 120 of profit. Eh? Why is it like this? Okay, not sure why also. Still 1 minute is nicer to look into it. Oh, I think the price is going to move sideways like this, up and down for the rest of the day. Let me check the calendar and see any of the important news that is coming up today. Time zone correct. Oh, 10 p.m. there will be a PMI, ISM manufacturing PMI. So the price will just move up and down like this. So usually within this important announcement that is going to come out, I will try to avoid to trades. Okay, so far, yeah, I'll avoid to trade. Maybe after the announcement is made, the economic calendar is out, then only we come back into the market and watch it. Okay, maybe let the market like done all the fluctuation first. After they have done all the fluctuation, then uh it will goes back to normal. Then we will see the trend that is coming in. We will see what kind of trend that is coming in. Okay. But seems like Microsoft is not much of the effect onto it. Let me check. I'll look into this one. If entry rules everything is fulfilled. They're marking up higher. Highest point is 6.7. Okay, down to 5.7. Not so good. Sideways moving is basically very difficult to trade. So I've done it before in my previous live stream, so you will see that. Why is it difficult for us to trade that? Because the price just moving up and down. Not much. Three, 7, 3, 6, 3, 5. So I'm looking at this to find where is the bottom. So right now it's marking the price up higher at the buy side. I'm gonna continue looking into this. I think Apple has news, right? Oh yeah, Apple have news coming out at 8, so that's why there's a price fluctuation like this. Then overall, the bigger news that it will affect the market is actually the PMI announcement later at 10 p.m. So again, standard procedure, I'll ask you guys to give me a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, share this out to your friends. And whenever we have any live stream about trading, then you get notification out of it. Thank you very much. Alibaba. Spread is huge, 5.2 to 5.8, and then to 6.2. I just don't want to look at that. Microsoft first. Let's see whether they have the rebound that is coming. Oh, I just noticed that you guys can't really see the quote movement, right? Because of my picture is actually blocking. Sorry about that. Now you should be able to see it. I adjust it to a higher point. Price is down. No good. No. Let's see. This NVIDIA here. The price move like this is usually, they just move up and down for a second. Let the volume go traded low first, and then low fluctuation, then only there will be a trend that show up. This is moving up higher right now. Overall, the price retrace and then move up higher. It's not much of the, what do you call that, the weakness of price up. I will look into this. This is AMD, right? Doing it at a very high side here. Let's see Apple, the news. Have you guys bought the new iPhone 14? I'm not a fan of Apple. There'll be some retrace over here. I just leave it, this AMD over here, let it move a bit more. And then the rest of it, I'll look into Apple, go for an entry for a long position. So since I'm changing the way that I am trading in this, so I will be holding a longer period of time. Right now the price is basically settled. And open this with two charts. No, I don't want like this. The one chart is better. Seems like more of pressing downwards. This Apple. And then 0.8. How's AMD is like? Let's see. I'll look back into it at the bottom for AMD. Come back later on. Oh, AMD is still going down. Minutes. Let's look back into the day before. The volume are mainly created with the price when the price is up yesterday for AMD. When the price is going down, not much of volume are created. The volume are relatively lower. So looking into it is more towards like the price will move it up higher. So I'm just gonna open this. But if we compare to Apple is about the same. We might see AMD is in the rebound overall. Wait, right now AMD, I'll go in for another entry again. Volume is getting lesser right now. So I think it's time that they will show direction in price. Marking up higher, 47, 5960, went up to 6272, highest point. I just continue hold on to it. 869397, 140, 140. It's not staying at that 140, and it is trading around 13990 over cents. So is it a break free for an Apple? We have to watch later and see how it goes, because this is just like starting of the first minute. AMD moving up higher also. So I'm just gonna leave AMD like this. Apple, if it doesn't close at the high side, I'll just take the profit out of it, because it's not closing at the high side. But I need to get rid of the day trade, the scalping mindset. Just let the price move a bit sideways first, and then we look into it. It will have some retrace coming. AMD, the same thing. Basically right now I can just wait for a while. let the price move whatever they want, move sideways or down or up first. Don't think it's gonna move up so soon. Okay, it's trading up higher. Trading up higher. One minute. Price are traced back down. Let's see AMD versus AMD. How does it look like? Shorter than the day before. One moment, I'm multitasking. So price is moving up higher. This is AMD. I think it's going to continue like this for some time. I'll just hold on to AMD. Let's see Apple showing some sign of wiggling up and down, up and down. In that case, I'll just exit, take the profit for AMD. I mean Apple. So the profit here is about like 700 plus. So Apple bought it at 13930 and then taking profit at 13995. So that's about like 6 cents of profit. I'll continue do this. Give me one moment. Price is down. So after the price is down like this, it doesn't really move back up higher. In that case, I will take the profit and go. So that's 2000 unit. 6, 5, 6, 7. Just saw it. Okay, so this way of trading, we find so far the profitability is much better because whenever we move up, we are making about 1000 plus and then 2000 plus from it. So I will continue to use this method and try it out and see whether we can apply this. We need to test it out for a few more days, for a few more months. If it's worked, then I'm gonna use this kind of method, enter and then hold all the way up until it shows signs that they have no intention to mark the price up higher, instead of going in and out, in and out. Because moving in and out, I can't see what is their intention, whether they want to mark the price up higher or not. Because from the tickers itself is moving too fast, and then the price quote movement over here doesn't really tell me what is going to happen next. The price is just moving up and down, just following the price. So looking at the price movement here, roughly, you know, like whether they want to continue to mark the price up higher. So that's why I find it much more secure that way. Okay, so yep, basically that's all here for today, and thank you very much for joining. Let's join us again next week to find out the way to trade in the stock market, in the US market. All right, thank you very much. See you guys again next week. Bye bye.
Wrong and Search. True traders react to the market.